Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today guys I will show you how to change your TurboLearn AI language. So guys, if you want to change language, all you have to do, open your account, log in your all account information and click setting. After setting, you find the change language from here. After that guys, click you have changed language, choose English, click this language. From here choose your language on language you want to change. For example, you want to change Arabic language, click this one, click confirm. So guys, this is how you can do Arabic. Just refresh the page and then write your English and click confirm. For example, you want to learn Czechia language, click this one and click this guys, this one, refresh the page. This is how you can do guys to change language. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget give like and share this video for more content, and see you on other videos soon. Keep watching.